Welcome back to the Subtle Body Diaries. This is episode 5 of our 7-part series on energy healing through the chakras and subtle body. Today we're entering a sacred space, the heart center, a place where grief, unconditional love, and forgiveness live or hide. If you haven't checked out episode 4 on the solar plexus and releasing overgiven patterns, go check that out. This entire series builds upon each other. The heart chakra, located at the center of your chest, governs love, compassion, forgiveness, grief, connection, and emotional safety. When this chakra is in balance, you may feel guarded or shut down, grief you haven't fully processed, people pleasing or over attachment, like it's not safe to receive love without strings. This energy center is the bridge between the lower 3 chakras, which is survival and personal power, and the upper 3, intuition and divine connection. And that's what makes this chakra so important. There was a time when I believed that forgiveness meant weakness, and if I softened a little, I would get hurt again. But holding on to pain didn't protect me. It hardened me. But here's the truth. An open heart isn't just an unprotected one. It's a strong one that knows how to release, transmute, and call its energy back. Today's ritual is ancient in essence, but simple in form. It's inspired by the emerald tablets and hermetic wisdom, where fire purifies, water restores, and the word invokes transformation. For this, you're gonna need a small heat-safe dish or bowl. You will also need pen and paper, as well as a lighter, and then a small bowl of water. So on your paper, write down one emotional wound, memory, or belief that your heart is ready to release. This can be a name, a story, or a phrase like, I'm unlovable. Once you have your paper, I have like 3 things written down, but that's okay. So we're gonna take our paper and place it to your chest. And now you're gonna say, this pain is no longer mine to carry. You're gonna take your paper, fold it, and then we'll place this into our fire-safe dish and light it. Okay, watch it burn and say, flame of truth, burn away the grief. Turn my pain to peace, bring my soul relief. Once the flame has gone out, you're gonna drop the ashes into your water bowl. This is the act of emotional purification. Now that we've cleared this energy physically, spiritually, and mentally, let's lock that in with a journaling prompt. Here's your journaling prompt. What does it feel like to receive love without fear, without conditions? Now, take a moment to pause the video, reflect, and breathe through whatever comes up for you. This may have felt like a small ritual, but it's actually one of the oldest energy healing techniques on earth. You just performed a hermetic spell rooted in fire alchemy and heart transmutation. You're not weak for wanting peace. You're not broken for still holding on to pain, but you are brave for letting your heart be seen. Your healing is sacred and it's unfolding beautifully. If this resonated, share it or save it. And meet me back here for episode 6, where we'll awaken your third eye chakra and explore clarity, intuition, and inner truth. I'll see you in the next one.